Hi, this is Jessie Dancy. I'm going to show you how you can sign into multiple accounts on Google Classroom on an iPad. So here you can see my iPad. I'm going to click the Google Classroom icon so the app will open up. Now I'm in my account and you can see the M in the top right corner. That's what you want to click. And then you want to press Add Another Account. And that will allow you to type in the address of a second account. So remember, school accounts end with the domain at student.mamkschools.org. You should receive a password from your child's teacher or from our lab TA. And as you can see here, a little pop-up appears letting you know you've signed into this new account, and it shows all the Google Classrooms associated with that user. If you want to switch back to the previous user, just click the icon on the top right, select another account, and you can easily toggle back and forth this way. So if you have your own parent account and you want to toggle between your account and your student's account, your child's account, or if you have multiple children, all of their accounts, this is a great way to do it on an iPad. Thank you.